So you click that little button on your Hikvision DVR that said Recommended IP Update, and now your live camera views are gone from your phone. It is super annoying because you were just trying to do the right thing, but now you are stuck with an offline error. Don't worry, you didn't break anything. When you changed that IP address, your DVR basically changed its house number, but forgot the directions to get back to the internet. I'm going to help you fix that right now, even if you have never touched a computer setting in your life. First, we need to get into the DVR's brain. Grab the mouse that is plugged into your DVR and go to your main TV or monitor. Right-click anywhere on the screen. You will probably see a pattern to draw or a password box. Go ahead and unlock it. Once you are in, look for a gear icon or a button that says Configuration. Then on the left side of the screen, click on the option Network. This is where all the internet settings live, and this is where the little mix-up happened. Before we change anything, we need to see what the DVR is thinking. On that same network screen, look for a tab at the top or on the side called Platform Access, or sometimes Hik-Connect. Think of this like the online status on your social media. If it says offline, that is our problem. Your DVR is awake, but it is sitting in the dark and cannot find the internet. Our goal is to get that status to say online again. The easiest way to fix this is to let your internet router do the work for you. Go back to the General tab in that same network menu. You will see a little box that says DHCP. Think of this like automatic mode. When you check this box, your DVR will call out to your router and ask for the correct directions to the internet. Make sure that box is checked, and if there is another one that says Auto Obtain DNS, check that one too. Now, this part is really important. You must click the Apply or Save button at the bottom of the screen. If you do not click that, the DVR will just forget everything you just did. Wait about 30 seconds and check that Platform Access screen again. If it says Online, you are good to go. Recheck on your Hik-Connect app. You should now be able to see the live camera view. If it didn't work immediately, give it some time. Mostly, it'll figure out the issue its own after this settings change and fix it automatically. Give it 10 minutes, but if it is still being stubborn and says offline, we have one more trick that almost always works. Go back to that General tab and uncheck those DHCP and Auto Obtain boxes. Your ISP's default DNS might be slightly out of date, causing the DVR to give up and show as offline. We are going to give the DVR a better phone book so it knows exactly where to find the Hik-Connect servers. Look for the box that says Preferred DNS Server and type in 8.8.8.8. In the box below it, type in 8.8.4.4. These are Google's DNS, and they are much more reliable than the standard ones. Hit Apply again. Google's DNS is updated constantly, so it usually points the DVR in the right direction immediately. If you are a bit uncomfortable using Google servers, you can use Cloudflare DNS, which is 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. After this change, your device should work well with Hik-Connect after some time. If your DVR monitor shows an online status, grab your phone, open the Hik-Connect app. Sometimes the app is still looking for the old settings, so just put your finger on the screen and pull down to refresh the list. If that does not work, just close the app entirely and open it back up. Your camera's view should be right back where they belong. Hope this worked out well for you. Thank you for watching.